What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna have a new series on our channel, and if you know by the thumbnail obviously and stuff, and if you know Salvino JR Models, they do NASCAR basically. Now they're basically a NASCAR company. They're the next gen NASCAR company, you want to call it, because no other companies doing NASCAR these days. Valve stopped making them, and AMT stopped making them, well, for the most part. And well, Salvino JRs, they bought a lot of Revell monogram modes, and they're basically the new NASCAR family or modeling company. So what I decided to do is we got a kit of a month here. There's not too many people in the YouTube industry that does these unboxings. The only person I know is Lucas C, and Lucas C does an amazing job, and he's doing these videos to get more people into the Builders Club. So I figured, you know what, let's get into Builders Club, and because I love NASCAR. NASCAR is my top priority. I love doing NASCAR, modeling with NASCAR, because I love decals. I know a lot of people don't do NASCAR because, you know, decals kind of bother them, but these JR model kits, decals in these kits are absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and unbox it for you. For this series, I will be unboxing these boxes in front of you guys, because I do get some comments saying if you get a package, could you, like, you know, unbox it in your camera? To me, I don't know. I just don't really do that, because I don't think a lot of people like that. But for this, we're gonna do it because it's pretty special, and it's very cool. So what is a kit of a month? Just in case you don't know, basically you get one kit per month. You basically get a kit before anyone else gets it, before your hobby shop gets it, before anything else gets it. Your one gets the kit first, and then, you know, probably 2 weeks, maybe a week or 2 weeks later down the road, and your hobby shop will get it. But a benefit to a Builders Club, you get a kit at a discounted price. I believe you get a kit for 40 some bucks, 43 bucks or 45 bucks. Usually these kits, normal price is 44 or 54 bucks, so 55 bucks with tax and stuff. So you are getting a discounted price, and also you do get some other goodies in here. So let's go ahead and see what we got. And there's a trend out there. People are saying, make sure see these guys pack the kits the correct way. If they're not, then it's your fault. So let's see what we got. And mine is bad luck. It's upside down. That's not good. That's not good for my first, you know, Builders Club kit of a month. So let's go ahead and try to get this thing out of here. And of course, this is for April. And oh, look at this. This is a beauty. Tim Richmond, you want to call him, 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is a beautiful car. So this kit, obviously, this car, obviously, it's 1/24th scale. There it is. That means this was an old Revell monogram kit. This is one of the Revell monogram kits, and obviously, like I said, Salvino JRs, these guys, they bought a lot of Revell monogram molds. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and dive into in here. We got some extra goodies, and these are the goodies I'm talking about. You get extra decals. I believe you get 2 decals, if I'm not mistaken. So obviously we got a Ford decal sheet, because we got the famous Ford decals, power slide. So that's pretty cool. I'm not sure what decal sheet we got so far. Oh my gosh, check these out. Wow, 1983 Blue Max Racing. Wow, look, this gold is absolutely incredible. Wow. And the graphics in these decals, guys, I mean, these are just top quality. I mean, the quality of these decals. And just in case you don't know who makes who designs these decals, it's actually Clay Clamp. If you know Clay Clamp, he's the one that actually designs and makes these cartograph decals. Clay does an amazing job with these decals, and he kind of partners up with, or he basically works with JR Models. And it looks like we got a Joey Logano decal sheet right here for the Ford. Oh yeah, that's Joey Logano right here. That's, oh my gosh. Yep, that's Joey Logano. Good old 22. Pennzoil. So that's very cool. So you are getting 2 complete decal sheets, and each decal sheet is like $10 to $12, and you're getting these for free, which is insane. So usually if you get the kit normal price, that's $55 plus $10 plus $10. That's like $70, almost $80 right there, and you're getting $20 worth of kits or for decals for free, and you're getting the kit as a discount. I mean, guys, this is actually a really good deal. And with every month, I believe you do, yes, you do get a special JR's sticker. That every month this is different, and that looks like, oh my gosh, a charger. Oh my god, that's actually a really cool sticker. Yes, every month this is different. And also decals might be same sometimes, but most of the time I heard they are different each week or each month. But the kit obviously is different each month. But back to the kit, this is absolutely amazing kit. So like I said, the Builders Club, you're getting this as a discount price plus 2 free decal sheets and a builder sticker. Oh yeah. So this is actually a really good deal. And so basically what you do, I'll leave a link to JR Models website in the description. Right down there it says join the Builders Club. You just put in your info. You can cancel your subscription anytime. They recommend you be in there for a year. If you don't want to, then obviously you don't have to. So be in there for a year if you want to, and you're getting kits early before they go onto shelves at your hobby shops and stuff, and online hobby shops, and a discount price for one, and plus decal sheets for your decal bin, which is unbelievable, and it's just too cool. So like I said, old Revell monogram kits, these kits go together so well. I built one Revell monogram kit so far, and that thing just went together like a dream, and obviously this one is going to too. So only things that JR Models, Jim over there, did not get from Revell Monogram was the windows and the tire modes. So Jim didn't really care about that because he made the glass much more better, and it fits in these kits a lot better than they used to. And the tires, to be honest, the tires in JR kits are a lot nicer than Revell ones. Revell had the raised Goodyear tires on them, which they're not actually raised on real life cars. They're actually like stickers or painted on the Goodyear. So and in these ones they're decals, which makes more sense because you can rub them off, you can rub them, make them more weathered, because they're not raised on the actual car. Only thing raised on the tires is the tire number, like 108 or something like that. That is a little bit raised, but other than that, the Goodyear lettering, that's not raised. That's like a decal or it's paint. I'm not sure what it is, but it does rub off. If you watch NASCAR, they're scraping against walls and scraping against each other. Most of the time the Goodyear decal or Goodyear lettering is wiped off because it's just, it's like a sticker, whatever is on there. So that's very cool. But other than that, the whole kit is basically the same body. I'm not gonna open this one particularly because I kind of want to save it for a bit. But Jim over at Silver JRs, which is one of the owners, he does unboxing videos on these kits. He shows you what's in the box and shows you decals. I'll probably open one of these months, but for this one, I'm not going to do it because I want to make this video extra longer. But let's just say it's a beautiful body. I believe it's all red, so that makes you save from painting the body, but you are going to have to paint everything else because Jim did say Revell Monogram, they did make everything, the interior, chassis, they did make everything into one big mold. So everything is red, so you are going to have to do some painting on the engine block and stuff, but not too big a deal. I usually paint my models anyway, but for those who don't paint, and Jim is trying to make, young modelers to get his hobby. So you don't have to paint these. Just put on a nice gloss coat on these bodies. They look pristine. I mean, that's what these guys are trying to do over there. They're trying to make these bodies as close as the actual car is. Some of them you might have to do two-tone paint jobs, and you do have to paint, but most of them, like this one, is just all red, and the rest is decals. You don't have to paint this body. That's incredible. And just put on the decals, put on clear coat or matte clear, whatever the car was in real life, and you're good to go. I mean, these kits are, you know, Jim over there is just amazing. If you want to really know a modeling company, these guys, you're gonna know these guys like every bit of them, because they do a live stream on Facebook every Saturday morning, 8 or 10 p.m. 9 a.m. Was it Pacific? So it's 10 a.m. where I am when they go live. Or if you're in a modeling club, they do have a Pacific modeling group for modelers that's in the Builders Club. They go live every Tuesday. I'm not sure what time Tuesday because I just joined in, so I have sorry yet to be you know, get invited into that group. But you do get a Pacific Builders Club meeting, which is like secret stuff. They don't tell everybody yet. They tell you what's coming within the next few months before everybody else knows. But guys, this is very cool. And also, I want to do one more thing. Jim over there, he's one of the hell of a nice guy. He's out of his world, and he's amazing. If you have any questions, their phone number is usually on here or in the descriptions. You can just call them up if you are missing parts or pieces. If you have a warped chassis or you broke something, you can call them up. They will place it for you. The customer service over there is amazing. And yeah, so Jim, I know a lot of times on his live streams, he does say people do bitch about the prices. To me, the price is actually right on, because not only they have to get the license for the actual company, such as GM, General Motors, there it is, fully licensed, they have to get a license for the name, for the driver, and also, see all these sponsors here? All these little sponsors on the car, they have to be licensed with them to order to get this picture onto our box. So it is $55. I gotta say, it's pretty reasonable these days and age because of inflation for one, and you know how much every single one of these little manufacturers cost to get the license. It's not cheap. It is definitely not cheap. And also Jim, I believe he said they paid for each mold, each little mold, or not exactly sure, but he said that they paid well over 200 grand to buy the Rebel Monogram molds. So they bought a lot of stuff, over 200 grand worth of stuff. The new next gen cars to come out with, that costs another 200 grand because they gotta get licensed and all that good stuff. All this adds up. All this stuff adds up, and to me, the price, I'm not complaining with the price. The price is very accurate for what you're getting, because look at all these sponsors. You know how much they had to pay for all these little sponsors. So guys, don't complain about the price on these NASCARs, because there's a lot of money into these things. Jim and Rick over there, they're trying to keep these prices low as possible, but yet they still want to make a little bit of money, because how much they are paying for each one of these kits to get them out to you guys to build them. And so to me, that's amazing. And that's why the Builders Club, that's amazing what they're doing. They're discounting these kits, and also you're getting a bunch of decals for free. It's insane. So this is a new series. We're going, for every video each month I get a kit, I'm gonna be talking about it and stuff, and maybe some of them I will open up. For this one, I'm not going to open up because this video is almost 15 minutes long. But guys, that's it for this April kit of a month from JR Models. So we know JR Models. And until my next video, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description. Join it if you want to. And if you're not on Facebook, well, this will be a surprise. Well, I'll tell you what, they do ship these kits every second week of the month. So, but if you're not on Facebook, you won't know what kit you're getting. But if you're on Facebook, they would usually tell you what the kit of a month is. Or they would usually tell you on YouTube. But if you don't follow them on YouTube or anything, and you've joined the group, their Builders Club, you'll get a surprise. You don't know what kit you're getting. And It's always gonna be a surprise in that box when you get it. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and go check out JR Models. They are amazing folks. They're one of the very few modeling companies you will really know and be like family with, because like with Revell or Tamiya, you don't know who runs those modeling companies. There's just a bunch of them, but these guys, there's only a couple of them, and if you're on Facebook, you will know them and you will basically become like family with them, because they're, you know how much they're amazing people. But I'm done, guys. I'm gonna put this up away, and I got some decals I'm gonna mess around with. And until my next video, I'll catch you guys next time. Take it easy.